Best console for sports games. Are you tired of lag and stuttering while playing FIFA or NBA 2K? It is so frustrating when your console cannot keep up with the action and you lose the game. Briefly, I want to assure you that you can fix these issues yourself at home. After watching this video, you will have the perfect setup. Briefly, please comment if you face any difficulty. I will reply to you within 1 hour. Also, remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel Tech Vibes. First, let us look at the PlayStation 5. It is a top choice for sports fans because of the SSD speed. To optimize performance, go to Settings, then go to Screen and Video, then go to Video Output. Make sure 120Hz output is set to automatic. Next is the Xbox Series X. This console is powerful and offers the Game Pass service, which is great for sports titles. On Xbox, go to Settings, then go to General, then go to TV and Display Options. Select 4K TV details to verify your connection. For online play in FIFA, you must avoid using Wi-Fi if possible. Use an Ethernet cable for a stable connection. Go to Settings, then go to Network, then go to Set up Internet Connection. Use the wired LAN option for the best speed. Keep your storage clean. A full drive can slow down your system and cause loading delays in NBA 2K. Go to Settings, then go to Storage, then go to Console Storage. Delete games you do not play to keep 20% of space free. Check your television settings. Many modern TVs have a hidden game mode that reduces input lag significantly. Use your remote to go to TV settings, then go to Picture, then select Game Mode. This ensures your button presses feel instant. Update your controller firmware. Manufacturers release fixes that improve the response time of your joysticks. Go to Settings, then go to Accessories, then go to Controller, then select Wireless Controller Device Software to update. Always keep your system software updated. These patches often include stability fixes for high-performance games. Go to Settings, then go to System, then go to System Software, then select System Software, Update, and Settings. If you still face issues, try a hard power cycle. This clears the cache memory and refreshes the hardware. Turn off the console. Unplug the power cable from the wall for 60 seconds. Plug it back in and go to Settings, then go to System, then go to Power, then select Restart. You now have the best setup for sports games. I am confident these steps will improve your experience. Get back on the field and win. Thanks for watching.